Hello everyone. Welcome to Back Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the best wireless CarPlay adapter. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features. Transform your driving experience with wireless CarPlay. This adapter lets you switch from a wired to a wireless CarPlay connection, giving you access to all your favorite iPhone apps on the car's display screen without being tethered by a cable. You can navigate, make calls, send messages, and control your music without touching your phone. It's a truly hands-free solution for modern driving. Simple wireless CarPlay connection guide. Setting up this adapter is simple and straightforward. Before you begin, confirm that your car's display screen is CarPlay compatible. After that, it's just a matter of plugging in the adapter and following the prompts on your phone to establish the initial connection. Plug-and-play instant wireless setup. One of the biggest advantages of this adapter is its plug-and-play functionality. Just plug the adapter into your car's USB-A port and you're ready to go. There's no need for complicated setups or cable clutter. It's designed for maximum convenience, with minimal setup required. Automatic start and user-friendly operation. For the initial use, you'll need to manually connect the adapter to your iPhone, but after that, the connection becomes automatic. Every time you start your car, the adapter will connect to your iPhone wirelessly, allowing for a smooth and quick start every time. 5 GHz Wi-Fi module for a stable connection. Equipped with a 5 GHz Wi-Fi module, this adapter ensures a fast and stable connection. The strong anti-interference capability means you'll enjoy a seamless connection, even in complex environments or areas with high interference. This feature is especially important for maintaining uninterrupted audio and navigation functionality on the road. Pros. Hassle-free setup and use. This wireless CarPlay adapter is designed for convenience. The plug-and-play feature makes it ideal for users who want a simple, no-fuss setup. It's as easy as plugging it in and following a one-time setup guide, making it user-friendly for all skill levels. Stable and reliable wireless transmission. Thanks to the integrated 5 GHz Wi-Fi module, this adapter maintains a strong and stable wireless connection. The technology reduces interference, providing smooth transmission of data between your iPhone and car display. This consistency is crucial for navigation and streaming music without interruptions. Improved safety and convenience. With wireless CarPlay, you don't need to touch your phone to navigate, make calls, or use apps. This setup helps keep your focus on the road, making your drive safer. By eliminating cables, you also reduce dashboard clutter, making your driving space more organized and visually appealing. Wide compatibility and durability. The adapter is compatible with most CarPlay-enabled vehicles that have a USB-A port, making it versatile and suitable for various models. Its durable construction and reliable performance mean you won't have to worry about frequent replacements or malfunctions. Cons. Limited compatibility. While it's compatible with many CarPlay-enabled vehicles, this adapter requires a USB-A port, meaning it may not work in vehicles that only support USB-C. Additionally, it's important to confirm that your car's infotainment system supports wired CarPlay, as this device only works with compatible systems. Initial manual setup required. The adapter requires a manual connection for the first use, which can be slightly inconvenient for users expecting a completely hands-free experience from the get-go. While it does automatically reconnect on subsequent uses, this initial step may feel cumbersome to some users. Potential for connection delays. Although the 5 GHz Wi-Fi provides a strong and stable connection, some users may experience minor delays in connection time, particularly if they frequently connect and disconnect from different devices. In areas with a lot of interference, the initial connection may take a few extra seconds. Final thoughts. The best wireless CarPlay adapter offers a fantastic solution for anyone looking to upgrade their driving experience with a wireless CarPlay connection. It's easy to use, highly convenient, and improves safety by keeping your focus on the road. The plug-and-play setup eliminates cable clutter, making it an attractive choice for users who prioritize simplicity and aesthetics in their car's interior. While there are a few minor drawbacks, such as the initial manual setup and the need for a USB-A port, these are relatively small compromises considering the overall benefits. The automatic reconnection feature is a standout, ensuring you don't have to set up each time you drive. Plus, with its stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi module, you can enjoy uninterrupted access to all your iPhone apps, from navigation to music streaming. The price may be higher than basic adapters, but this product's quality and functionality make it well worth the investment for those who rely on CarPlay regularly. It's especially useful for users who travel frequently or spend long hours on the road, as it provides an upgraded, hands-free experience that improves both convenience and safety. For anyone looking to go wireless with CarPlay, this adapter is among the best options available. It's well suited for both seasoned CarPlay users and those new to the experience, providing a seamless bridge between your iPhone and your car. Check out the price in the link below, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Kingo for more reviews like this.